So, ladies and gentlemen, today we've started off Operation Save the Sawmill. You can see we took a hit. My brand new cover is destroyed. Not nice. But in the meantime, we still got to bring the rest of this down. This belongs on the other side of the creek, but nobody maintains their property over there, so all of their crap falls over here. So I'm taking as much of this down as I can from our yard. The downside is I had a Ryobi pole saw, electric one, about 20 feet of pole, and the saw head is stuck up there. So I got to bring that down. I'm probably going to end up losing that saw head. And then I got to get all this shit cleaned up, or stuff. I'm sorry. Got to get all this cleaned up, see if there's any damage to the new sawmill, thanks to the neighbor's tree. So I'm gonna go back up the ladder and see if I can't cut that branch off from the safety of the ladder. Is there such a thing as safety in a ladder? That I'm not real sure. Kind of pisses me off though that I lost my brand new cover. So there's $100 down the drain, or $80. Whatever they actually charge for it. Yeah, just looking in there, the sawmill looks fine. Just too nasty gash. So I'm gonna go up there and see if I can. So you might say Ryobi does not make a 20-foot pole saw, and you would be correct. So this comes with a couple of extensions. I can't remember if it's one or two of these extension poles. It might be two. But when you buy the tool to clean out gutters, which is just a big fan, you get another one or two poles. So I'm going to guess these poles are about 3 feet, somewhere around there. So you have the saw head, which is roughly 3 feet. The actual weed eater part, which is probably another 3 or 4 feet. And then, so you got about, I have 3 of these 3-foot extensions here, and one more laying over there. So, in essence, I get maybe, what is it, 12, around 18 feet. So 20 was pushing it. So it'd be about 18 feet was the overall height, which allowed me to reach out there from that ladder and try to cut that branch off before it pinched it. But anyway, I'm going to get this cleaned up now and see if there's any damage to the saw.